thousands of residents were ordered to evacuate southwest Sydney, Australia's biggest city, on Sunday with torrential rain and damaging winds pounding the east coast and floods expected to be worse than those that hit the region in the past year. Heavy rain and overflowing dams and rivers all combined to threaten flash floods and landslides along the east coast from Newcastle to Batemans Bay in New South Wales state, and rain was expected to intensify. More than 200 millimeters of rain have fallen over many areas, with some hit by as much as 350 meters. The Bureau of Meteorology said, warning of flood risks along the Nepean and Hawkesbury rivers. The Australian government has provided the state with 100 troops and 2 helicopters to aid with any rescues, Defence Minister Richard Marles said on Sky News.